Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mox Punch TV. Today guys, attend ako sa aming Bible small group worship. Ito ay ginagawa ng mga Filipino Adventist dito every Friday morning. So ako lang umattend kasi yung misis ko may duty. So ito guys, let's watch it ladies and gentlemen. And now, it's showtime. Guys, good morning. We're going to fetch one of our brother in the church kasi pupunta kami sa park for our devotional. Sinong kasama ko ngayon? Okay. Bob is here. So eto, nag-enjoy kami ngayon sa kanyang magandang service.
Wow.
So mamaya guys, update namin yung aming devotional at saka yung aming get together. Okay, so another part of Riyadh na naman ito guys. So medyo malayo yung sunduan namin ng aming aming kasamahan sa aming devotional. So today is Friday here. It's weekend here in
It's 5:35.
Riyadh. Yeah, it's 5:33 in the morning. So kung sa Pilipinas tayo, nasa 10:34. Yeah, 10:34 in the morning. So ako lang munang sumama kasi yung asawa ko guys ay may duty pa sa Prince Sultan Hospital. So mamayang 8 o'clock pa yung niya out. So matatapos kami dito sa aming devotional siguro mga before 8 o'clock din sir. Okay, so this is the financial district of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So dinaanan lang namin. Sinundo namin si Brother Chester. So we are heading to what's the name of the park? Ano ba?
Aliyah Park.
Aliyah Park for our get together and devotional.
I don't get the station. Train station.
Yeah. So this is the train station here in Riyadh. Look at the design, guys. Spectacular, right? Cool. Guys, ito yung Kingdom Tower. Nung last time no nag-vlog ako dito, gabi yun. So nag-change ang kulay niya. So ngayon, ito yung view sa umaga, early in the morning. And the next to this area is the Aliyah Park, kung saan doon kami devotional.
Nagka-traffic dun sa
Pero mo gina regular job.
regular job niya gabi. Isa sa maintenance siya.
Alright guys, so this is the Aliyah Park. Ito yung mga kasama namin, nung Bob and Brother Chester. So I don't know if our colleagues are here already. Let's check it out, bro. Aliyah Park here in Saudi Arabia. So guys, nandito na kami sa Aliyah Park with our, brothers and sisters. We will about to start our devotional. Ayan.
Tapos dire sa first kato before sa
Moment like this. Ito guys, ako yung napiling devotional speaker. Medyo nahiya naman ako konti. Pero sige lang, always ready naman basta para sa Panginoon. So praise the Lord. So guys, ito yung get together namin after the worship and devotional. So maraming mga pagkain dito. Actually guys, nagda-diet ako pero not today. Today is cheat day.
every day is cheat day.
Yeah. Here in Riyadh, every fellowship meeting, devotional, wala, kainan to. Sa Saturday, vlog ko rin yung pagkain namin last Sabbath. I forgot to vlog it. Ito. So ito guys, kain muna kami guys. So guys, so uwi na. Tapos na kaming Bible fellowship and kainan. So yatid na namin tong si Brother Chester, of course with nung Bob. Brother Chester,
Hey.
andyan, mag-hi ka dyan. Alright, so pauwi na kami guys. kami dito sa tunnel. Ilang kilometro ito nung Bob? Yung tunnel?
3 kilometers.
3 kilometers ito. So, i-video ko to hanggang makalabas kami, guys. Tingnan natin. Ang lawak sa loob ng tunnel na to. Ilang sasakyan? 4 lanes. Okay, 4 lanes. So, sa kabila, ano rin tunnel lang doon sa kabila. Yung pa, ano?
One way lang to.
One way lang ito. Oh, yung another way doon sa kabila. Yung papunta. So this is the longest tunnel here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So ito na ang labasan, guys. Mabilis lang kasi nga mabilis lang yung takbo namin. Nasa 200 kilometers per hour yung speed namin ngayon.
Bilis.
Bilis, ano? So, nakalabas na kami ng tunnel.
May emergency.
Alright, so ito na danaanan rin namin tong Prince Sultan Military Center or Military Hospital. So dito na trabaho yung asawa ko, guys. Hindi siya nakasama kaninang umaga sa aming fellowship and devotional kasi may trabaho siya. So ngayong 8 o'clock lang yung ano niya, out niya. So dinaanan lang namin yung hospital. So pauwi na kami. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.